now we're at the cellar ready to unload, and behind me you can see that process happening. If you are interested in an overview of that process, check out my video that I made last year at the Idaho Potato Harvest 2016, and I will also link it above and link it at the end of the video so that you can check that out for more information. I hope you all enjoy. Away for my truck to go, because when I get under the combine and loaded with potatoes, I sink in the sand, and so that army truck is making a road for me to follow, and so that I don't get stuck. And if I get stuck, there's a tractor with a rope to pull me out. So I got my truck stuck in the sand. So I'm waiting for the tractor to come pull me out. He's on his way. But yeah, this is part of driving a potato truck in the sand. Anyway, he'll be here soon, and then I'll be out and on my way again. I hope you can hear me a little bit over the 10-wheeler, but yeah, it's very loud and it's bumpy. This is one of the roads that we drive as we're going to the field and from the field back to the cellar where we store the potatoes. And it's through another piece of our property where right now the cows are grazing. They stay here this time of year, and so we get to come through their dinner, basically. You'll be able to see it on the shot, but there's some absolutely gorgeous mountains out here. It's one of my favorite fields to come and dig potatoes or to harvest grain because the view is spectacular. But the drive to get out here is not, and the sand is difficult to work in. But yeah. Yay, it's lunchtime. So I have a full load on my truck, and I'm just parked at the cellar waiting to unload, and so it's a great time for me to take a minute and eat some lunch. So today I have yummy chocolate chip oatmeal cookie, some barbecue potato chips, a couple of little mandarin oranges, and a ham and cheese sandwich on my homemade bread. So that's what I'm going to do now in the nice quiet. Just get some food in my stomach because I'm hungry.